Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can install your WhatsApp on PC with Microsoft Store. As you can see over here, this store that you want to simply turn this on in Windows 10 or 11. You can simply log in your account over here. So as you can see, my account is logged in over here. So you have to do is simply search over here WhatsApp, and once you search over here WhatsApp, you have to simply click on enter, and then it's gonna be search over here, and then you have to wait until this gonna be shows you. So let's search this WhatsApp business, and it's gonna be search over here for this app. But it's not keyword, so you can simply click on WhatsApp, and then you can see over here it's installed on my PC. So you have to do is click on this and then prepare to download and install. As you can see over here, it's gonna be installed in my PC. So I am simply click on that and then open it up and logged in. So you can see this is downloaded on my PC. You can as well do over here. You have to simply click on this get option over here. If you not getting any open option over here, you will get open, or like you will get their option over here install or download, something like that. Or simply you have to do is click on that and then install it on your PC, and it's going to be installed, and then you can use it. And you can simply over here you can use WhatsApp beta as well. You can see over here there is install option over here. Once you click on that, it's gonna be preparing or getting this on your PC. Once it's gonna be done, you can use your WhatsApp beta as well on your PC. And that's it. That's how you can get WhatsApp on PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.